Hello everyone. In this session we are going to see switch activity and until activity. So first I will create a pipeline to demonstrate switch activity. Let me give it name switch. In the iteration and conditionals you can get this switch activity here. Drag and drop. Now what I am going to do is I will take a variable as input and I will check whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Okay. So for that, what I will do, if its last digit is 0 or 5, then in such case, I need to give output as divisible by 5. And if there is no 0 and there is no 5 as the last digit, then I will give output like not divisible by 5. So how we are going to do this? By using switch activity, let us see. So I'm going to create a variable. I'm giving it name num, type string, and I'm giving it default value 55. Okay, now go to the switch. Here in the activities, you can see that there is a default case. Okay, so and you can add cases. First, it need expression here. So let's first give the expression. So what I will do is I will find that I will take the last digit from here. Okay, so for that I will need modulus function, which you will find in math function. So here is this mod function. Inside that I will pass my variables. Okay, variable which is num, and I will divide it with 10 to get the last digit. Okay, and we need to typecast this because our variable is of type string and this mod takes integer as the parameter. So this is done, and we need to typecast the overall expression. Okay. Now this expression will give the last digit. Okay. Now I will add the cases. So the first case is going to be like this is going to be if the case is 0, if the last digit is going to be 0, then what we will do, I will set a variable. Okay. So I will set a variable which is going to be of type string. Okay, let's create this. Divisible 5 case 0. Okay, of type string, and I'm going to give a value like divisible by 5. Okay. Now I'll go to the switch activity one more time, and I will create another case. In this time, this is going to be for 5. If the last digit is going to be 5, then so 5 will be there. And here also I will use set variable activity, and I will give this a name divisible to 5 case 5. Okay. And I will write the same thing. divisible by 5. Okay, and now we will give the default case. Okay, so here also, if other than 0 or 5 will occur, uh, we will set variable, we will use this, and I will create new variable which will be like and divisible by or not divisible by, and here I will set the value divisible by 5. Okay, so this is our switch activity. There is case of 0 and 5, and the expression gives the last digit, and this will be the case because the switch will take this as the parameter. The expression will be this. So if this expression will give 0, then this will be 0 case, and if this will give 5, then it will come under this case 5, and if there will occur any other digit, then it will go to the default case. Okay, so let us run this pipeline. So since we have passed 55 as input, so we will get this divisible 5 and case 5 because the last digit was 5. So divisible by 5. So we have got the answer. Let's change the variable value. Let me set this to 50. Okay. And now let's debug it. Here you can see that you have got this case 0, divisible by case 0 and divisible by 5. Okay. Let's do it one more time. And this time I'm going to set it to 57. And I'm going to debug it once again. And this time we have got not divisible by, okay, not divisible by 5. So this was the switch activity. Now let's see the until activity. You will find this until activity under this iteration and conditional here. What this activity will do, it will take an expression from here. It must be a boolean type. Either it returns true or it gives false. Okay, it should give false. Now, if this expression will equal to false, then the until loop will execute. Okay, and if this will give true, then the execution will stop. Okay, so basically this until activity will run until the expression become true. So what I will do, I will first create a variable of boolean type and set it to false, and I'm giving it name as type boolean, and currently I am going to set it to false. Okay, and I will pass this variable to the expression. So this expression will measure false. Okay, so since it will be false, then the activity will run. That means the until activity will execute. So here I will set the variable x to true, so that the until activity stop the execution. Okay, so I will come here, I will use the set variable activity and set the value of x to true so that the expression will be calculated to true. Okay, and the until activity will stop. So this until activity will execute for once, in which the state variable activity will run, and it will set the variable x to true like that. Okay, so let's do it. Now you can see that until activity is in progress, and the state variable